guys, welcome back to my channel. We are currently with the Public Health Club, and I'm with
Maggie.
And we are the co-heads of the Public Health Club, and we are going to take you on our volunteer trip to Torrington. We are with the Public Health Club. Say hi! And we are currently on our way to the Community Health and Wellness Center. See you there!
1, 2, 3, 4. Spending 70 hours just to be in Monterey with you. 3 hours in and we're talking about our futures like we have a clue. I hope your father will like me, cause I know his expectations high. And somewhere in adolescence I told you to stay away from boys like me who write songs about you. And it feels wrong without you. It's all sad.
Introduce what you're doing right now, Harry?
We are holding Ruby's awareness.
Yes. Hi, Ruby. We are finalizing, and these are also pictures. Say hi. So we are almost done with the event, and this is what it looks like right now.
So we packed up the Subaru I-5 North.
Are done with the community service event. How do y'all feel?
Very fulfilled. Very productive.
Very productive. We did at least like 100.
No, we definitely did more than that.
Yeah, a lot of bags. Say hi if you guys want to. Look at the top here.